As per our ongoing Cardano cost expectation, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 239.34%, coming to $1.32 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is unbiased, while the apprehension and ravenousness list is perusing 16.63, and that implies genuinely intense trepidation. Our Cardano conjecture, it's hold Cardano at the present time. On walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall unbiased feeling among Cardano cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. See the specific Cardano cost expectation beneath. You will, as far as goals and purposes, might be aware the amount Cardano is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Amazingly, over the most recent 30 days, Cardano has diminished by 8.44%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, as opposed to prevalent thinking, toward the finish of spring. The worth of Cardano expanded by 112.90% and came to approach around 78 cents in an unpretentious manner. At present, all pointers are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness record truly shows 16.63 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Cardano. As of now, Cardano is exchanging beneath the 200 especially basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Cardano holding really signal. The cost of Cardano is at present running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, and it shows a sell sort of sign. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will especially hit 36 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Cardano's momentary 50-day SMA shows a 36 cents. The overall strength file force oscillator fundamentally is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money basically is oversold or overbought. RSI especially is Cardano value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Cardano came to 40 cents when it dipped under 24 cents interestingly since January 2021, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Cardano is headed to passing the 81 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 81 cents, it might truly break its sign of $3.10 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will generally break its past all-time exceptionally high of $3.10 and hold somewhere in the range of 79 cents and 81 cents soon. At this point, on 21 walk 2023, Cardano is exchanging at 37 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 675.65 M, and it makes number 7 cash in the entire crypto world. Cardano value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Cardano can get through the 95 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Cardano cost will be between 79 cents to 95 cents. And the most probable Cardano cost will be consistent at around 88 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally threatening energy utilization, tycoon adventure kind of entrepreneur Tim Draper by and large is adhering to his expectation that Cardano will reach 95 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Cardano value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that ADA will begin the year at $1.08 and exchange around $1.32. As per their forecasts, this would be very genuinely high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, or so they thought. Cardano value expectation 2026. There in a real sense is an essentially decent possibility that Cardano 2026 value expectation will sort of twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not, all things considered, arrive at its normal most extreme $1.67 level. Cardano is anticipated to truly arrive at an untouched high of $1.54 or $1.67 in 2026, and it could in a real sense be the time of Cardano. Cardano value forecast 2027. Cardano value expectation, or ADA, will encounter colossal development in 2027 as it for the most part has the kind of potential to for the most part accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap. Cardano's cost is supposed to generally outperform $1.67 in 2027 in a huge manner. In the meantime, Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense lease cost of $1.75 this year in an essentially enormous manner. The most extreme cost might reach $1.97. Cardano value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Cardano value forecast and specialized investigation anticipate that the expense of Cardano will for the most part reach $2.70, and the cost of ADA ought to reach $2.70 before the year's over, or so they truly thought. Moreover, ADA can reach up to $2.48 in cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring critical years for Cardano development. ADA value expectation 2030 of every 2030. Cardano value expectation are supposed to essentially cross the $3.82 normal cost level, as indicated by Cardano figure in specialized investigation, or so they thought. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano's essentially lease cost is supposed to be $3.59 in a significant manner. Moreover, ADA can arrive at a greatest value level of $3.84 in spite of prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano will have a typical cost of $3.84. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. In an unpretentious manner, Cardano value forecast 2031 Cardano cost is assessed to generally reach $5.06 by 2031 at pretty least, with a typical exchanging cost of $5.19 all through 2031. Cardano's worth could come to $5.28 at its most elevated. The experts anticipate that the sort of greatest cost should truly be exchanging around $5.19. Cardano figure 2032 of every 2032. Cardano will attempt to arrive at the least degree of $6.90. It might attempt to get the greatest in essentially next fundamentally top level of $7.14 with the typical gauge cost of $7.04. It might break the past extremely high and in every practical sense, go ahead to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we in a real sense foresee it will arrive freely truly be the practically the most minimal cost of Cardano in future. Up to 81 cents USD what will be the in every practical sense greatest cost of Cardano in future. Up to $7.14 USD will Cardano cost expansion in future, or so they generally thought. Indeed, Cardano cost will build as per our anticipated information in future. Interest in Cardano is productive or misfortune making. Indeed, Cardano is productive venture in view of our determining whether the cost of Cardano will be descending in future in spite of mainstream thinking. No, Cardano cost won't fundamentally be essentially descending in light of our assessed forecast. In 1 year from now, what will one Cardano really be worth, which is very critical. The cost of one Cardano can generally really be up to 81 cents USD in 1 year's time, a 2x almost from the ongoing ADA cost in a significant manner. Where most certainly do I sort of purchase Cardano in a significant manner. There are in every way that really matters many spots to in a real sense purchase and trade Cardano. We show them generally. What will in a real sense be the cost of Cardano fall?